Hi, I'm Frank Austenfeld. I'm with the Watershed Institute and Land Trust, and we're here today to do a community environmental service project. We're recycling Christmas trees in this lake. It's a 110-acre lake, and we have about 6 volunteers helping us do it. We're going to sink about 18 trees, I think it is. We're going to show you how to daylight trees, how to anchor the trees, and how to float them so that they stand up on end for the best habitat for the fish. So the first thing we do with the trees, we try and open them up a little bit to create better habitat for the fish to get inside. So we kind of peel them back and we clip some of the interior limbs so that it daylights the trees. Then we bring the tree down, and using some galvanized cable, this steel is 16 gauge. We attach 2 cinder blocks to the bottom, and to the top we attach a couple of milk jugs. And what that does is once we sink it, it'll stand it straight up like this, and it creates all sorts of habitat through here where the fish can get in, the little fish can get down in there, and the big fish hang out to the side and eat the little fish. And so the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to attach a milk jug, which is a buoy, and we have them identified with numbers. The idea is they're going to float just about this much out of the top of the water. We've put a little bit of sand in the bottom, and it'll be about 4 feet of line. The idea is the top of these milk jugs will be about 4 feet underwater, and that's the maximum use of the zone that's important in this particular lake.
Ready? 3.
So here's where it gets just a little bit tricky. We're going to tie 2 of these trees off the back of the pontoon boat and drag them out at the same time. So we've got to be careful to tie the right kind of knot, because we're going to be kind of in a compromising position off the back of the boat trying to untie it. So we tie what I call just a little boatman's knot on each one of these little loops. I'll pull it up, grab this one, pull it, out it goes, and it sinks. Should work. And now for the tricky part, and that's getting the trees off the dock without Ryan getting knocked in the water. So there goes one. And here goes the other. And just like that, oh, nice work, Ryan. We're dragging 2 trees. Yeah. So we're headed over to this cove. Over here we're going to find a point, probably somewhere in the vicinity of 12 feet of water or so. We've got a sonar here that shows us depth, as well as GPS mapping that will mark the waypoint and be able to upload it to a website so any fisherman can download the proper coordinates and come back and find the structure. So not only do we have the Lowrance with the split screen and the GPS and the depth going, we also use a smartphone. And if you look in tight on this smartphone, you can see where we're marking the tree drops. So we're getting close to our designated drop, and as soon as I get the right depth, I'll hit the mark here, hit the mark here, and we're good to go. Drop the trees. So here we are at the proper depth. All I've got to do, pull it up. Pull the rope. Down she goes.
Some mountain music? Yes. Those touchstones are on the way between now and 5 o'clock. Stay close.
Okay.
KFKF.
it.